Little Dennis, little dee. It's been so long since we looked at these character design quarterly magazines, but little Dennis loves these, and I've got 2 to go through because I'm a bit behind on these. But the last one we looked at was issue number 27, which was that one. Got like the one thing I noticed about this was, see that little shape there? I feel like that there is actually quite distracting. They should have just coloured that in, at least for the cover, because my eye is always pulled to there. But my favourite cover is still this one, which was issue number 6 by the artist Loish. So we've got issue 28 and 29 here. So I'll do this one first, and then I'll do another video for this one. So little Dennis, he's going to get us in. He can't wait. Dun dun dun. Here, make a little headband for him, I think. Actually, I could put glasses on him. There, you can't see now. Little Dennis. The question is this one going to be more beautiful than that one? Do you think? What do you think? Oh, I'm going to turn it around so you can't see it. So we have a dark cover with a purple spine. And our survey says, oh, I like that. Yeah. I can tell it's not going to beat that one. I don't think anything's going to ever beat that. And I think it's because it's Loish, who is my favourite, is one of my favourite artists. It's a video game character. It's Horizon Zero Dawn, and I love video games, but I just love everything about this. For me, that's probably perfection. So I can't see anything beating that. But this one here, what I like about this is, it's quite, I feel like it's quite dramatic because of the black background. You don't very often see black background covers, especially with Character Design Quarterly magazine. And I like the lighting as well. The way, because like this character's popping. So let's go and have a look at this one. So what we do is, little Dennis, he just gets us in, and we have a look and see what we think. So look, we've got a purpley blue colour there. And we have rabbits and hares. That's quite funny. I don't know why, that makes me rabbits and hares. So that's what's on the inside. And inside of the issue, we have little characters with our editor Sam. And I don't like pushing down on that, but you've kind of got to. But then what happens is, look, it all sort of creases the thing. Dun 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 dun. Look, I thought that was poo then. I thought they'd had a poo, but they've actually dropped their chess pieces. So they're obviously going to chess. They're obviously nervous about going to chess class or something. So the cover artist is Ben Eblen. Ben Eblen. For some reason, I thought that was going to be a female that had done that cover. It's actually a bloke. Yeah, how funny is this, look? The artwork is like what he's doing. That's quite funny, that. So I've just gone through about 5 issues of Imagine FX magazine, and the first thing I'm noticing is just how much better the quality of this paper is. Like Imagine FX magazines, the paper is quite thin, but the paper in these Character Design Quarterly magazine is so thick and like quality. It really improves the experience of going through the magazine. It's weird, it is. I like that. I'm not normally into male characters, but I do like that. That's cool as well. What a strange head. What a very strange shaped head. I love the emotion in that one. It's a cool gesture, isn't it? That's nice as well. Oh, I like that. Look, some of these top tips. I like that. We've got little... I'm going to read this one. Likes are nice, but do they actually help to expand your business? Saves and comments can be better indications of a successful, valuable post. Social media. I'm not into that sort of thing. No. Sculpting the cover, look. Yeah. These sketches are nice as well. They've got very strange shapes on their characters have got very strange shapes, their heads. Actually, the shapes of their heads are very much like they're made out of clay, aren't they? Like big and chunky shapes. Ah, look, they sort of quite dramatically changed the style. That's funny, that. Keeping the focus. Look, I initially wanted to show the window light, but the scene quickly started to feel clear. See what I'm saying? Look, they got rid of that because it was distracting. That's what I was saying about this one. That little bit of colour there is distracting. That's cool. I wonder if they like zoomed right out to see that. Hey! Little sheep characters. Reminds me of the sheep in the video game Catherine. With Vincent. I quite like this one actually. Oh, a little fat one. Interesting. I like this little character. I think I would have gone with this girl though. I think so. I want to hug that character. Whereas I feel like that character, you sort of want to beat him up. I know it's a bit horrible to say that, but... Victorian family values. These are not my sort of characters. I find them quite sort of aggressive. Yeah, I like friendly characters. Oh, I like the way they've done that with the colours. Look, they've turned like shapes into colours. Yeah, it's not really my sort. I like that little bit of humour there. Look, we've got a little hamster or something. Artist catch-up, John Loren. Beautiful colours. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Pumpkin. Hey, look, a pumpkin horse. That's quite cool, guys. Seen that before. Land of Femme. Land of M. Land of M. Oh, look at that! I've never seen that before. You can actually see the string in the spine. I quite like that. For some reason, I quite like seeing that. It makes me want to pull it, but I'm not going to. But that looks very It looks very for me it looks quite professional. Little bits of string there. I've seen that before as well. Little mouse. Yay! Little turtle. Terrapin thing. Quite funny. I like that. Oh, it's the hair and the tortoise, isn't it? I like that character better. Quite funny. Oh, I would have gone with that one. He's quite funny, that. A month by moonlight is Ptica. Weird, isn't it? They've got like no limbs. It's like they're made of rubber or something. Beautiful. It's beautiful, that. Yeah, look, there's not much gesture in these. These little poses are quite stiff, actually. I wonder if they based them off of a mannequin. Nice little characters. I got a feeling my mum will like these. Like little fairies or something. Nice colours as well. Ah, look, there's the butterfly outfit. Dennis has got something on his ear there. Wanted, undead or alive. Quite funny. I'm not keen on the colours on these. Yeah, I'm not keen on that colour combination. Or even that one. Oh, yeah. Poopikat. Oh, cool. Lovely. Got very big hands, these characters. Nice, isn't they? Look, pencils. Cool. I've seen some of these before as well. I like her little wellies. Lovely. Hey, little Dennis's favourite, the gallery. Cool, look at that. Like that. That's cool. Yeah, look. A sexy monster. Cool character. That's nice as well. Very cool character designs these are. I like that. I can imagine her as a main character, but actually I think she'd probably be like a sidekick, or somebody that comes in and helps you on a mission in a video game. That's what I'm thinking. Oh yeah. I like the chunkiness of these shapes. Cool poses. Oh look, you are what you were. Cool characters, isn't it? Robin Hood Reborn. Lovely colour palette there as well. Robin Hood. Well, you can see lots of planning has gone into this one. Reminds me of Mumra from Thundercats. What a very strange, different sort of styles here. They've gone all over the place with styles. Really experimenting. I like that. He looks quite lonely, doesn't he? Yay! Here they are. Look. These are the artists for this issue. It's very hard to get it up to the camera now. You've got Laura. Hello. You've got their website there, look. Ben. Sarah. Erica. Kaji. What a cool name. John. Cora. Andy. Hey, do you hear that? Paul and Kate. Oh, I like her outfit. Can't really see her, look. Kate is an illustrator focused on children's issues. Oh, it's interesting, isn't it? Seeing what the artists look like. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 females and 1, 2, 3, 4 blokes. So the girls are winning in this issue. And we finish with more rabbits and hares. Where I start is very rarely where I end up. I continue to iterate even after I've sunk a bunch of hours into a single area. Boing! Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 29 of the No, it's not. Character Design Quarterly magazine by 3DTotal Publishing. I love that. Very cool. So the next one we're going to look at is this one, which will be issue number... Oh, I've done it wrong. I've done that one before that one. Well, you're going to see this one before that one then. But I've actually recorded this one before that. I hope you enjoyed it though, and I shall see you later for another one.